2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee cabin filter replacement. So what you want to do is go to your glove box. We're going to open it. If you want, you can get whatever you have inside out. There's a little kind of like a string thing right here. This needs to come out. Let me get my stuff out. Now, to get that out, you need to push this little circle part in the front here down to the bottom, and the bottom part is a bigger circle, and you can pull that out. This string thing basically makes it so this glove box opens slowly. So what you could do is on this side, pull it down, and then use your finger on the other side to just help push that down, and then you'll get it out. Now you can let this go. We'll get it later. After you get that out, squeeze both sides of the glove box, and then just gently lower it like that. If it falls off the hinges, it's not a big deal. But if it doesn't, don't put any weight on these because it'll break, and then you'll have a whole other set of problems. So get that out the way. Now here's the access door to the cabin filter. What you want to do is come over here, push this gently, and just take the left side off first, and then the right side, it's kind of just like hooked around. Also the top, there's a tab right here. Push this tab up right here, get that off, and then you just pull this out. It's kind of a tight fit. Going back on, it's a little annoying, but anyways, read the stuff that's on the filter. There's an arrow pointing down, and then it says install with this side facing outwards. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. This is an OEM filter. I'm gonna be putting an aftermarket filter in, and that's fine. Here's my filter. It also has an arrow pointing down, so we'll put it in the same direction. I'll put a link to this in the description for Amazon. Now we'll just slide this guy in. If it has an arrow pointing down, then just put it in with your arrow pointing down as well. Make sure you have it. Sometimes they can go in a certain way, so make sure it goes in nice and easy like that. It should fit almost perfect. So if it's not going in right, just try to rotate the filter and put it in, and it should be fine. Now once you have that in, we need to put the access door back on. The right side needs to go on first. You have to kind of hook this part. As you can see, there's a little spot to get this on. Just be patient. Get that on first. Try not to rage slam none of this stuff because it'll break. None of this stuff's really that tough. It's all plastic. But once you get the right side hooked on, you could just push the left side in. It'll clip in. And then we'll go ahead and put this glove box back on. Just put these little hooks back on those little hinge bars. And then we'll just push this straight up. It'll just go into it where it's supposed to be. And then all we gotta do is hook this string rope part back up. It's called like a dampener or like a slow release or something. I don't know, but just put it back in how it was. You should put the circle part in the bottom and then let it go up. You could also help it just get back into its locking position. And what this does again is it just makes it so when you open the glove box, it opens real slow. Just open and close your glove box. It should be fine. Nothing out of the ordinary. And that's it, guys. That's how to do the cabin filter 2021 Grand Cherokee. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.